Hello, my name is William, and welcome to another video demonstrating how we automate Oracle R12 or Fusion ERP support or back office processes. We leverage automation technologies such as UiPath RPA or robotic process automation, and others such as artificial intelligence or human-in-loop processes. At a high level, our support automation followed this process. The robots detects the issues, then analyze to determine the root cause. Third, if required, we have a human-in-loop process to make a decision or to provide additional information. Finally, the robot goes ahead with the resolution flow. So far, we've created hundreds of ready-to-implement flows, handling common issues or errors within Oracle. Some are not really errors, but more what we call business proactive flows, which attempts to resolve transactions gone past due or sitting in hold, etc. Over to you.
Thanks, Wilson. This is Naga Nannapneni. I am part of Simprio Oracle Support and Back Office Automation Product Development team. My role is a solution architect and automation lead for the automation project. I have 20 plus years of experience in Oracle Financials implementation for repeated global clients with finance process reengineering expertise and deep understanding of RPA technology. Today, I'll walk you through a demo on how a robot can detect invoice rejections in AP interface and trigger a human-in-loop process to resolve. In this demo, we are going to demonstrate a common issues in Oracle Payables invoice import process where robot detects AP interface rejections and work with relevant business users to get their inputs and resolve the issues and then import invoice into payables. There are around 97 possible errors in AP interface. Robot can resolve most of these issues with the human-in-the-loop process. Here are the few common errors. Accounting date could be in a closed period, or a duplicate invoice, or supplier and supply site information is invalid, or the purchase order information is invalid. In this process, a robot creates a task for business users to provide their inputs for fixing the errors and will notify the business users via email and also pings on Microsoft Teams or Workplace. Robot routes the communication to appropriate business users based on operating unit, invoice source, and the error. Let me explain briefly how we build this automation flow in UiPath. We have built a flow in UiPath Studio to perform the actions for the above scenario. If robot fails to execute a flow, then it will trigger a notification to automation team about the automation failure. First, robot collects the required configuration files and tests the connection to Oracle database. Once robot successfully collects the data, it will check if there are any invoice rejections in AP interface since robot last run. If it finds the invoices with errors, the robot will know the resolution path for the given error. In this case, it will continue by creating a task with error details and the actions that business user can take against each error. This is how the process flow was built in UiPath Studio. Now, let's move on to the demo of this process. Before I launch the flow, I'm running a query to show you the invoices in AP interface that are in error. As you see on the screen, there is one invoice with invalid supplier error code. As you see, there is an extra letter C typed in the supplier name. Let's move on and trigger a robot. This is a UiPath Orchestrator screen showing various processes related to AP interface errors. For demo purpose, we are triggering the process from Orchestrator, but in production, this will be a scheduled process running at predefined intervals. We triggered the Oracle Support Automation AP rejections flow. This process fetches the errors from AP interface and will create a task in UiPath and assign to appropriate business users based on metrics. Robot pings the business users on Microsoft Teams as you see on the screen and also sends an email notification. Notice that the message is having a link to the task. Business users can click on the link either in Microsoft Teams message or email to open the task in the Action Center. Alternatively, business users can access the task in their mobile app as well. User can click on the task and it will provide the details of the invoice along with the error message and the actions user can take for each of the error. On the screen, you see one error at invoice header level. Business user can choose the appropriate action to fix the issue and move to the respective fields and update the values. I'm going to update supplier name by removing an extra letter C. After completing the corrections, user click on submit button for robot to resolve the issue in Oracle by updating the AP interface table with user provided values. See now how the robot is running to update AP interface table with user inputs. Let's go back and rerun the query to check if robot updated the values as per user inputs. Now you see that the supplier name is corrected as per the user provided values in the task. Let's rerun the payable open interface import program to import the invoice. As you see, there is one more error at line level. Let me trigger the robot again to reprocess the new error. Unlike other modules, Payable Open Interface Import program detects one error at a time. This is where robot can continue to monitor and create the task for new errors to work with users and fix all the errors. Now, robot triggered the task and pinged in the Teams with the new error details. Let's click on the link to open the task. As you see on the screen, accounting date error is at a line level. Let's update accounting date from 1st December 2020 to 1st May 2020 and let's submit the task. Robot continue to run and updates the accounting date in AP interface table. Let me rerun the query. As you see, the accounting date is updated. Let's go back and resubmit the Payable Open Interface Import program. After program completion, let me click on View Output File. As you see, the invoice is imported now. Let's query the invoice in the Invoices workbench and see that the invoice has been imported after fixing the errors with robot and human collaboration. This proactive monitoring of the potential issues and fixing timely in collaboration with business users will keep transactions up to date and avoids any reconciliation issues during the month-end process. This is just one of the example of hundreds of such business scenarios where robots can detect and take a corrective action with or without human in the loop. This is the end of the demo on how a robot can work with human in loop to resolve the issues. Thanks for watching the demo. Over to you, Wilson.
Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, go ahead and subscribe to our Oracle Automation YouTube channel. We launched this YouTube channel to provide practical examples on how Oracle R12 or Fusion, both for support as well as back office processes, can be nearly fully automated using automation technologies such as RPA or robotic process automation, as well as artificial intelligence and others. If interested to learn more, drop us a note at contact@Simprio. Thanks.